In this video, we are going to see that if you are trying to play a game on Roblox and it shows to join this experience, update your content maturity settings. As you can see down here, we got an error. We were trying to play the Rivals game and it says at the bottom, to join this experience, update your content maturity settings. And all we get is an unlock option. So if we click on this unlock option, it says content not accessible. You need to go to settings in order to play this game. So what you need to do is just click on the settings, and either you can go from here and change the age group, or otherwise I'll tell you a simple solution for that. You click on the more on the Roblox app at the bottom right, and you head over to the settings. You hit privacy and content restriction settings and select content maturity. Now guys, just remember that if you are under 10 years or 13 years of age, you might need a parent to make these changes. So once you have verified your profile, all you have to do is just move this bar all the way to the right, and then after that you head over back to the home screen. And once you try to play the game again, for example, let's try Rivals again. We click on that, and now we got this play button right here. So that is how we can resolve this error. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.